Tyler 16-bit here, back with another video, and this is an unboxing of Video Games Monthly for August 2026. I first subscribed to this service last month, and last month was a really good box, so it made a good first impression. So let's open this one up, and I'm gonna just like I did in the first unboxing. I'm gonna like pull it open here and then turn around so that way I can reach in and then we'll find out what the games are together. Alright, so first up is some packing material. Obviously, that's not part of it. And we have a 1-up, so that means and there's also a sticker here. So that means instead of 5 games, I'll be getting 6. So that's cool because that happened last month too. Alright, and we have a DS game, it looks like. And it is Brain Age. So that's pretty cool. I have heard of this game. It's like a brain training game, and it's for the original DS. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, last month I signed up for Nintendo 64 and GameCube games, but this month it's going to be a lot different. So game number 2, what is it? It is Monsters Inc. for the Game Boy Advance. Yeah, I've been seeing other people get like these Disney games for the GBA, and they actually seem to be pretty good. So I'll definitely have to check that one out. All right, what's next? Oh, it's another DS game, and it is Are you smarter than a 5th grader? Yeah, that game is actually surprisingly pretty fun on. I'm trying to remember if it was like Xbox One and PS4. But yeah, now I have it for the DS. It's kind of hard to see the artwork underneath the sticker here, but that's okay because the sticker said what the game was. Okay, so far that's what, 3? Yeah, 3. So we still have another 3 games to go. And I'm trying to feel in there. Oh, I kind of saw off camera that it's a PS2 game. So let's see what we got here. Wow, is this this is Kingdom Hearts 2. That's actually pretty cool. I did when it comes to Kingdom Hearts, I played some of the first game, but I still have yet to play the second game. And I do have the Story So Far, I think it's called, on PS4. along with Kingdom Hearts 3. But it's always cool to get the original. So yeah, that's very, very cool. Kingdom Hearts 2 for the PS2. Very shiny cover, by the way. Alright. Let's see what else we can kind of feel around in here. Oh. It's another, it's another PS2 game. Siphon Filter, the Omega Strain. And in this case, actually feels pretty heavy. So it may be complete, like with the manual and everything. I remember the Siphon Filter games from way back in the day on PS1. So I ought to definitely give this one a try. And I definitely plan to, because these Siphon Filter games are pretty good from what I remember, at least. Okay, so that's 5. There should be one more, if I can find it. Oh, it's another GBA game with some packing material, and it's The Incredibles for the Game Boy Advance. So that's kind of like yeah, it's another Pixar games, just like with Monsters Inc. for the GBA. So that's pretty cool. I'll definitely check it out for sure. So in total, we got 6 games this month. 2 GBA, 2 DS, and 2 on PS2. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, you all take care.